Welcome to Dr. Balaga's God Knowledge Doc podcast, your quick dive into the latest medical breakthroughs to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get started. Today is November 23rd, 2025. This video is on a JCI article published on 17 November 2025 titled Genetic and Environmental Influences in Autism, Guiding the Future of Tailored Early Detection and Intervention, a Viewpoint. What causes autism? It's a multifactorial combination of genetic and environmental influences. Heritability about 80%. Which genes are strongly implicated? Autism-associated genes include CHD8, P10, SCN2A2, SHANK3, among hundreds of others. What about rare mutations? Copy number variants and protein-disrupting variants influence the risk in a subset of individuals. How do common variants contribute? Most autism causes involve additive effects of common inherited variants acting polygenically. What environmental factors increase likelihood? Advanced paternal age, maternal autoimmune disease, metabolic conditions, infection, air pollution, and pesticides. Does maternal medication use matter? Valproate increases risk, clearly increases risk. SSRI associations disappear after adjusting for maternal psychiatric conditions. Is acetaminophen associated autism? Large studies controlling for family factors show no association. Does folic acid protect? Prenatal folic acid supplementation is associated with reduced autism likelihood. Which perinatal factors matter? Prematurity, obstetric complications, and neonatal hypoxia contribute to risk. How early can risk be detected? Machine learning models using electronic health records predict autism before age 1. Are infant MRI markers useful? Altered connectivity in cerebellum, corpus callosum, sensory and associative networks precedes diagnosis. How do ERPs help? Face and phoneme-related ERP responses predict later autism improved by polygenic scores. What is the value of genetic testing? Genetic testing is standard of care and guides prognosis, targeted treatments, and syndromic management. Why is stratification important? Autism heterogeneity requires biological subtyping to personalize interventions. Do gene-environment interactions matter? Yes. Environmental exposures interact with genotype, influencing susceptibility. How can proteomics help? Proteomics reveal convergent synaptic pathways and molecular signatures across autism genes. Are gene therapies emerging? Trials are underway for MECP2 and SHANK3 related syndromes, but none yet approved. What is IGF-1's role? Reduced insulin growth factor 1 relates to hypoxia and inflammation effects. Trofinetide, IGF analog, is approved for Rett syndrome. What biomarkers are promising? EEG and eye tracking biomarkers show promise but require more validation. Can infants benefit from early intervention? Caregiver-guided social and language strategies improve outcomes before formal diagnosis. What is digital phenotyping? Wearable and sensor-based monitoring that captures real-time behavior for screening. What ethical issues emerge? Identity, autonomy, equity, and inclusion of autistic individuals in research design. Do autistic individuals vary widely? Yes. From high support needs to fully independent functioning. What models advance research? Organize and assembloids model neurodevelopment and enable targeted screening. What are the key future challenges? Heterogeneity, biomarker validation, safe gene delivery, and equitable access to innovations. Hit pause. These are the syndromes involved with autism, and read at your leisure. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with your colleagues. When we change how we see disease, we change how we shape lives. Until next time, stay curious, stay compassionate, and keep seeking wisdom. Podcast brought to you by masterbedfacts.com. This podcast is for physicians and healthcare providers. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and forward to your friends.